What's up guys, Ritzel here for the Scooter Life and DIY YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you what causes code error 14 on iScooter10i and on any electric scooter and possible fixes. So, my electric scooter don't have a problem with error codes. So the purpose of this video is to show you what causes error 14 code on any electric scooter. Code error 14 pops up when you have one of these: defective thumb throttle or factory defect, fractured or broken thumb throttle from falling that will lead to loose contact, and lastly, loose wire connections or corroded connectors. Here I'm disconnecting the connector for the thumb throttle and turn on the power and see what happens. You see error 14 pops up right away. So the possible fix for this, if your thumb throttle is intact and not broken, is to disconnect the thumb throttle connector for 15 to 20 seconds and connect it back. You do it twice to reset. And if the problem still persists, it's time for you to buy a new thumb throttle and make sure to buy the right JST connectors on your thumb throttle. Alright guys, hope this video will help you with your DIY, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you.